Greetings and welcome back to the channel. I have a few contacts who make videos, but with no preview image. I tell them to use Canva. It takes a minute. Let's see how fast I could do this with a new account. So please like, share, and subscribe, and check out the description if you want to connect with us. We have Discord, Instagram, and a GoFundMe for donations. Alright, so further ado, I'm going to try my best here. I'm going to go ahead and log in. I haven't practiced this thousands of times. So I'm going to store in my account now because I actually deleted it. So now I'm going to go over to some templates and now YouTube thumbnails. I'm going to see any thumbnail here and I'm just going to go ahead and grab it. So I see a lot of premium ones. I'm going to go with the first one. I'm going to say customize. Okay. So now I may not want to work with this one, but there's all these free templates. I'm going to look for one that I would like to work with. And then it's taking me more than a minute now. Let's choose this one. Okay. There's premium ones. That's okay. Let's try to use this one instead. So now let's say the dashiki review. I'm gonna just stretch this out. Right, and then the name of my organization, which is Kunjoga. Right, then you try to remove this from here. Right, and that's the thumbnail from Canva. And then what we want to do is you want to try to take our shirt, right, and then I'll say meanwhile let's just upload. Let us go to our studio and let's upload a new video in the meantime. Okay, so while that uploads, right, we're gonna put our image here. And then I think we could also edit the photo. And then there's BG remover, I believe. Okay, that's a premium feature. If you guys really wanted to do it, then there is a website called remove.bg. All you do is upload an image like so. Go ahead, upload that image. Download it. Okay, so here's my downloaded image. We could go back to Canva, do an upload one more time, drag and drop, toss this, and then there you go. That looks really nice. All right, I'll leave that there, and then you can also delete this as well. So now once you're ready to go, downloading this, it takes a while. What you could do is just use your tool, your computer snipping tool. That's going to be your image, right? And then there's your thumbnail. So all that we have to do now, upload our thumbnail by dragging it and dropping it. All right, next. Say public, and then there it is. So it didn't take that long and it was painless just to set up a thumbnail. So thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, and once again check out the description to connect with us on Discord, Instagram, and GoFundMe.